So the father is abusing the son. There are fair chances that the son was the father in one of the lives and they have done the same thing to their father.
How could somebody choose sadness in their life? When I'm saying this, I'm saying from this angle, there's a dispute between the parents. All the time they are fighting at home. Maybe your dad is a drunkard. Or some other family would have lot of financial crisis. And when we as a friend come together, somebody says, oh, you're so lucky enough that you're getting all of this with so ease. How could one choose sadness or crisis of finances or relationship issues in their life? I mean, if you could just explain that.
Sure. I would love to explain that. So let's take an example of an abusive father and let's say son. Okay. There are fair chances that this son was the father to the son in this life. So the father is abusing the son. There are fair chances that the son was the father in one of the lives and they have done the same thing to their father. You getting it? So it's a exchange of roles. Why? Because they want to learn the lesson. They want to go through the same experience to learn the lesson because they have created negative or bad karma by abusing their son in one of the previous lives. I'm just giving a very hypothetical example, but there is a probability. No one can prove it. Okay, there are therapies for that. So past life regression therapy is there where you can regress your patient into one of their past lives for their understanding, right? But then I feel that there is no need to go into the past and understand why is this happening to me. If at a very deeper level, if we can really get that understanding right, that doesn't matter whether it is coming from this life or earlier, I am the creator of my reality. I created my reality in my previous lives. I am creating my reality in this very moment by using the words that I'm speaking, the thoughts I'm thinking, the emotions I'm generating, the actions I'm taking, the decisions I'm making, the choices I'm making. All of this is creating my reality. Now, you were saying that how can somebody choose sadness? They have chosen it much earlier. And when a soul is born in a new body, it happens basis what they were doing in their previous life. What was the frequency at which they were vibrating? So I'll give you another example. So let's say you are on the spiritual path and it happened to you only after you turned 40. And you might feel that, okay, why didn't this happen to me when I was young? I would have had a different life altogether. Now, what would happen is you would continue on this path for the next 40 years and you die at 80. When your soul would be reborn, at your birth, you would be given a family and that environment which is conducive for your spiritual growth because of the work that you have done in this life. So it's a continuum. Life and death is not like a starting or a stopping point. The soul continues from one life to another, only they change the costume, which is the body.
Thank you. That brings a lot of insight.